Hi up guys, it's me again. In this video I'm gonna show you how to repost on Instagram. Firstly guys, you need to make sure that you have launched the application, and then you need to go on your feed site on your Instagram account, and here as you can see we are on some post. Now if I go on the share button on the third side here, and as you can see I have an option for adding post to your story, but I don't have an option for getting or reposting to my Instagram feed site. Now what I need to do, just simply get or just take a screenshot of this photo right now, then just click on the scroll side to make sure that you have get a very good position for this post which is related on photo. Then go on the tick on your right side and go on the plus icon, go for post, just type for it, and here we go guys, we have a chance to repost it on Instagram. But also you have an alternative chance to get repost on Instagram by a third party applications, in which you need to go on your Play Store and here type for Repost for Instagram. Then as you can see also you have many options, but you need to choose this side as you can see, and this application will be available for you for free to get a repost on Instagram if you want to make a repost on some video or on some reel which you couldn't just screenshot on it. You need to get this application for it. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.